everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a quick and easy anti-aging facial oil at home. In this facial oil, I'm using all natural oils that are known to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, boosts the collagen production on the skin. It also will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, and it is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Now this facial oil can use on your skin AM and PM, and a little goes a long way. The way I like to use this oil, I like to use it on my jawline, especially for those with sagging jawline. This is amazing. I also like to use it on my neck and décolleté, and I also like to use it on my forehead where I tend to get forehead wrinkles, and also on the crow's feet. So just apply this facial oil all over your skin. Once you're done applying it, what you're going to do, you are going to massage the oil on your skin. This oil, guys, I suggest you use it mostly at night to get the best results. So massage the oil all over your skin like I'm showing here. Lift the jawline. Go back down on the neck and décolleté. And that is how you apply this amazing anti-aging facial oil to your skin. Now I'm sure you're wondering, how can you get this oil, or how can you make this oil yourself? So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share the recipe with you. So don't go away, continue watching for the recipe. For this oil blend, you're going to need a small container to store it in. Next, we're going to reach for our first ingredient, which is sweet almond oil. And sweet almond oil will have to hydrate the skin. We're also going to be using some grapeseed oil, and these are 2 carrier oils. However, use any of your 2 favorite carrier oil. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the sweet almond oil, and I'm also going to be using a tablespoon of the grapeseed oil. Another good combination of oil is olive oil and sweet almond oil, or coconut oil and grapeseed oil. And now we are going to mix, and we're going to mix well, just blending the 2 oils together. And next I'm going to reach for some vitamin E oil, and I'm using the vitamin E oil as a preservative and also as an hydrating facial oil. Vitamin E will help to nourish the skin. Next, I'm reaching for some vitamin A capsule, and these are the main anti-aging ingredient. Vitamin A helps to restore collagen in the skin. It also helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines. So what I'm going to use is about 3 capsule, 250 mcg, and I'm going to just squeeze this out. Each capsule, I'm going to get about 4 to 5 drops. So pour this in. Now you do not need a lot of vitamin A when you're using it as your facial oil, since it is very, very strong and it will irritate your skin. So you definitely need just a little. Here in this I have about 10 to 15 drops, okay, which is about a half of a teaspoon. So give this a mix. And now guys, let's reach for my next ingredient. And here I have some aloe vera oil. Now aloe vera helps to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, spots and blemishes, acne scars. Aloe vera also helps to hydrate the skin. It's a good ingredient to use for sunburn, especially if you're going to wear this oil in the daytime. So I'm using about a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil, and now we're going to mix, and we're going to mix well. My final ingredient is an optional ingredient, and this is papaya seed oil. You can substitute papaya seed oil with carrot seed, rosehip, cacao, or even squalene oil. I'm using about a 1/4 teaspoon of the papaya seed oil, and papaya seed oil is also rich in vitamin A. And now we are going to mix, and we're going to mix well. Now once this is done, take a look. Here we have our anti-aging, collagen boosting, hydrating facial oil. Now guys, you do not need to store this in the refrigerator. You can leave this on the countertop, and you can choose to use this on your skin AM and PM for best result. Now guys, this oil is also good to use on your neck and your décolleté. If you have sagging skin, this is amazing for the skin. You can also use this oil under your eyes. It will help to get rid of wrinkles under the eyes. It will also help to get rid of dark circles. So definitely use this up on your face on a whole. And take a look at this. I'm just going to apply a little on my skin to show you. You can clearly see how much this just absorb in the skin. Definitely a must try, guys. An amazing homemade anti-aging facial oil. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this recipe, guys. And remember, you can play around with the oils. You do not have to use the exact oils that I use. However, make sure to use oils that are rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. If you want to get a notification as soon as I upload the video, then click on the little bell at the side and turn on post notification on your phone so that you'll get it as soon as the video is uploaded. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.